How to add a Snapchat filter to existing photo. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. Get logged into your Snapchat account, then tap on this photos icon on your bottom left hand side. As you do so, you will see Home, Camera Roll, Stories. You have to tap this Camera Roll section and select the photo that you would like to add a filter on. Now, in order to add a filter, tap on this arrow. Just as you do so, you will see this layer at the bottom screen. You have to swipe in to your left until you find a right filter. Or you can also add your own filter by tapping on this retouch icon. You can also type in text or draw something. Once you're satisfied with the filter, tap on to export. Then from here, select download. And just like so, this is how you can do it. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.